Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Betty Azar's free resource called Fun with Grammar. So first I'm going to go to Google or whatever search engine I like, and I'm going to Google Fun with Grammar, Azar, and here it is. So this resource is a compilation of hundreds of communicative activities that push students to use grammar in real communication. And the beautiful thing about it is that all of the resources, all of the worksheets and things that you need are all right here. So the book is divided into grammar points. Let's say that we are practicing the present progressive. So we're going to click on verbs present, chapter 1. And here we go, present progressive. You'll notice that there are these colors here, red, black, and blue. This indicates the level. Red is beginning, black is intermediate, and blue is advanced. So let's find one here that, so for example, this activity number 4 is only appropriate for beginning. Okay. So let's try activity 2 here, which is called picture sentences. And it says we need worksheet 9 or pictures with a lot of activity going on. What is this activity? Let's see. Oh, we're going to describe the picture in as many sentences as we can. Great. So because it's present progressive, we need a lot of activity so that people can describe what the people in the images are doing. Okay. But I don't have a lot of time. I don't want to have to look for these images. So I'm going to look at worksheet 9. Which is right down here. There it is. Cool. So I can just print and copy this image, and I'm all set to use this activity 2 in my class. All of these chapters have the same thing. They're full of activities with all of the materials that you need. And they're real communicative activities that push students to use grammar in real, authentic communication. I hope you'll check it out.